One of the easiest and most effective ways to get rid of a gopher that's burrowing under your lawn is to set a live trap. Place the live trap near one of the entrances to the gopher's burrow and put some bait inside it, like carrot or celery sticks with peanut butter. Check on the trap twice a day, and if you catch the gopher, work with local authorities to relocate the gopher to an appropriate environment. Another option is to use repellents to drive them away from your lawn. Start by placing castor oil pellets, peppermint oil, or fabric softener sheets in the burrows closest to your home. Wait 1 to 2 days, then place more repellents in some burrows that are a little farther out. Repeat the process until you've added repellents to the outermost burrows. If natural methods aren't working, you can use poisonous gopher bait containing zinc phosphide to kill the gopher. Deposit the bait in its burrows, making sure to keep it away from kids and pets. To prevent them from coming back, try planting natural gopher repellents like lavender, rosemary, strawberries, and catmint. You can also dig a trench and bury wire mesh screens around any vegetable or flower plots to prevent gophers from burrowing into them.